how to fix ChatGPT not available in your country easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, all you need to do is just open your browser, and now once you're here, click these 3 points, go to history, and here click clear browsing data and select all time cookies and select those here and select only cookies, and then click clear data. And after that, all you need to do just open task manager, right click on your browser and click end task, and that's it. Now just open it again and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.